In the modern sports landscape, fan engagement extends far beyond the stadium or the television screen. Digital platforms, particularly mobile applications, have become indispensable tools for teams to connect with their fan base, deliver real-time information, and enhance the overall fan experience. For a powerhouse like the New England Patriots, with one of the most passionate fan bases in professional sports, having a robust and comprehensive official app is not just a nice-to-have, but a strategic necessity. So, for any project management enthusiast or simply a curious fan, what exactly is the official Patriots app, and what functionality does it offer? The official Patriots app is aptly named New England Patriots and is available for both iOS, Apple App Store, and Android Google Play Store devices. It serves as a central digital hub for everything related to the team, designed to keep fans connected, informed, and engaged, whether they're at Gillette Stadium or following from afar. From a project management perspective, developing and maintaining such an app is a complex undertaking. It involves managing various data feeds, ensuring real-time updates, integrating with multiple platforms, like ticketing systems and social media, and constantly iterating based on user feedback and technological advancements. The goal is to deliver a seamless user experience that meets diverse fan needs. Key features and functionality. The official Patriots app is packed with features designed to cater to every type of fan. Here's a breakdown of its core functionalities. Live game day experience. Live game commentary and play-by-play. For those unable to watch the game directly, the app provides real-time updates, play-by-play descriptions, and commentary, allowing fans to follow the action second by second. Live scores and statistics. Instant access to up-to-the-minute scores, team statistics, individual player stats, and league standings. This is crucial for fantasy football players and stat enthusiasts alike. In-market radio broadcast. A significant feature for fans in the New England region is the ability to listen to the live 98.5 The Sports Hub radio broadcast directly through the app. This creates a cohesive game day experience, even without a TV. Note: geographic and device restrictions apply for live game broadcasts. Game highlights. Quickly view video highlights of key plays and crucial moments during and after the game. Exclusive team content. Official Patriots news and analysis. Get the latest news, articles, and in-depth analysis directly from the team's official sources. This ensures fans are receiving accurate and timely information. Video and photos. Access exclusive behind-the-scenes videos, interviews with players and coaches, practice footage, and high-quality photo galleries. This offers a deeper dive into the team's operations. Podcasts. Listen to official Patriots podcasts, including Patriots Unfiltered and Pats from the Past, which offer pre- and post-game analysis, discussions, and interviews with team legends. Stories and clips feature. Similar to social media platforms, this provides quick, digestible updates and behind-the-scenes glimpses in a social-style format. Team information and resources. Official roster and depth chart. Always have the most up-to-date roster, depth chart, and player bios at your fingertips. Daily injury reports. In-season stay informed about player injuries, which is vital information for fans, especially during the regular season. Schedule and standings. View the full season schedule, track game times, and monitor the Patriots' position in the league standings. NFL scores. Keep track of scores from all other NFL games in progress, providing a comprehensive league overview. Fan engagement and commerce. Official Patriots merchandise. Easily browse and purchase official team merchandise directly through the app, allowing fans to show their support. Social media integration. Quick links to the Patriots' official social media accounts, making it easy to engage with the team and other fans on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Worldwide Fan Club and Sports Bar Locator. A great feature for traveling fans, helping them find official fan clubs or sports bars to watch games with fellow Patriots supporters. Gillette Stadium features for in-venue experience. While there is also a separate Gillette Stadium app for broader venue events, the official Patriots app often integrates elements relevant to the game day experience at the stadium, such as mobile ticketing access, venue information, and sometimes even exclusive in-stadium content or contests. For instance, Season ticket members might access benefits directly through the official Patriots app linked to their mobile wallet. Why an official app matters. Project management perspective. From a strategic project management viewpoint, the official Patriots app serves several critical objectives. Centralized information hub. It consolidates all official team information, ensuring consistency and preventing misinformation. This is a large-scale content management project in itself. Enhanced fan experience. By providing real-time data, exclusive content, and interactive features, the app deepens fan engagement and satisfaction. This translates to increased loyalty and brand affinity. Direct communication channel. The app offers a direct line of communication from the team to its fans, bypassing third-party media and ensuring messages are delivered accurately and promptly. Monetization opportunities through merchandise sales, potential premium content, and advertising. The app provides additional revenue streams for the organization. Data collection and analytics. The app allows the Patriots organization to collect valuable data on fan behavior, preferences, and engagement, which can inform future marketing strategies, content development, and overall business decisions. Brand reinforcement. A well-designed, functional app reinforces the professional and innovative image of the New England Patriots brand.